Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Game From Scratch, and if I sound a little bit different than normal, that is because I am on the road and using my Rode mic setup. Hopefully, I sound good enough. Anyways, what we got today is another humble bundle of interest to game developers, and this one is for Unreal Engine and Unity developers, though Unreal Engine gets the lion's share of assets. The nice thing is you can actually get these exported out to other game engines as you wish. The first environment we were seeing here is this cool cyberpunk environment, and these are all from a company called Meshingun, which you may be able to guess by, let's see, I know it's around here somewhere. Yep, there we go, Meshingun Studio. So they got a little cameo here in this environment. Again, this is a cyberpunk type environment, very detailed. There's a total of something like 4,400 assets in this actual pack between the two different game engines. And again, you can export this stuff out to another engine such as Unity, or say Godot. I will have guides down below on how to do that. So let's do a quick overview of the bundle itself. Then we'll come back in and show you some more of them in action, both in Unreal Engine and Unity. So this one is the Deluxe Dev Dream 3D Unreal Engine and Unity Mega Bundle. This is 4,000 plus assets from Meshingun Studio. Organized into tiers. You buy a higher value tier, you get all of the stuff from the tiers below it. You decide how your money is allocated between humble charity, the publisher, and if you so choose to do. And thank you so much if you do to help support Game From Scratch. Now these are redeemed at 100% on their appropriate asset store. So for example, the Unity stuff is redeemed on the Unity Asset Store. The Unreal Engine stuff is redeemed on the Epic Games Marketplace, and both are under the underlying EULAs in that particular case. So there's no special licensing here. You can use these commercially however you wish. Again, three different tiers. The $1 tier, you're getting the Gothic Cemetery Pack, the Foliage Pack, the Gothic Texture Pack, Asian Temple Pack, Medieval Props Pack, Medieval Dinnerware Pack, and the Gothic Dungeon Props Pack. So you're gonna notice this is pretty much all Unreal Engine at this point in time. We jump up to the median price tier, and you're getting the Stylized Foliage Pack, the Cyber Town Pack, that's the one we just saw in action, by the way, Gothic Furniture Props, Flag Generator, Book Generator, Feudal Japan Interior Volumes, Egyptian Props Volume 1, Gothic Cemetery. I think I'm repeating myself now. And then we go into the Full Fat, which frankly is the tier that probably the majority of people are going to buy, especially if you are a Unity developer, because this is where the Unity stuff is also in existence. Here we're getting the Feudal Japan Mega Pack, the Gothic Interiors Mega Pack, the Gothic Mega Pack, the Medieval Village Mega Pack, then with the Stylized Village Fat Pack, the Brook Industrial Town, the Bazaar, Gothic Unity Pack. So this one is the Gothic Mega Pack for Unity, the Gothic Interior Mega Pack for Unity, and the Medieval Village Mega Pack for Unity, and then a couple other assets. I think I'm repeating at this point in time too. So the Unity stuff, there's actually only the three major packs here. The Gothic Mega Pack, the Gothic Interior Mega Pack, and the Medieval Village Mega Pack, all for Unity. Everything else is available for Unreal Engine. Again, there are ways to export from one engine to the other, and all those guides are available down below. So let's go take a look at some of these guys in action. Let's head on back over to Unreal Engine so you can see this, again, is the cyberpunk environment. It's available in both day and night cycles. So you see here, if I go back, maps, we've got Alley Day as well. So we can see this guy in action right here. So just daytime lighting environment, get a different vibe for it. Again, really high quality packs. There's also a lot of details on the inside of some of these. Again, you've got these stores with store details as well. So there's a lot more than just what you see up front on these. Again, stores often have other assets inside of them. So that is the Cyberpunk asset pack. Then we've got, let's come on down here, Feudal Japan. So this is the one I used for the thumbnail. Let's go ahead and check that one out now. Again, another really high quality asset pack, a number of different things going on here. So you've got like the feudal Japanese style castles going on here. Got a bit of a market square, a number of trees, some villages, and a bit more there as well. So that is the feudal Japanese one. Come down here. I do believe there is an overview. Overview map. All right, here we go. So you get an idea of the actual assets that make up this pack. And here we go. So this is what you're getting. Again, very modular, a lot of stuff in each one of these mega packs. And again, exporting out to other engines is, again, very trivial from Unreal Engine. So for example, if I wanted to export out this particular table, for example, I can go ahead, right click, and then I'll go to Browse to Asset down here, pick the asset I wish to export out, go here to Asset Actions, and then Export. and basically just pick the file format I want, and I can have that in my game engine of choice. Again, very simple. You want to get into Godot, just load it as a GLTF file, for example, and you are good to go. Next up, we have, so that was feudal Japan. We've done the cyberspace one. We have this one here, which is an industrial park. Let's go ahead and load that one up. There we go, an industrial park. Everything you see to create this, again, absolutely jam-packed with assets, and again, all in very high quality. I am quite impressed with this pack. But again, I've always loved environment pack bundles, and this one is flush with them. So nice looking asset here, as you can see. So everything you see to create this environment that we're looking at right here. And then we'll go to one of the more stylized packs. You get an idea of what they look like. So come on down here, stylized village, map, and let's open up that one right here. So you see there's a summer, fall, and winter version of this available if you want to go ahead and check out different styles. But we're just going to go ahead and show summer for now. And here is what the stylized packs look like. Again, very nice looking assets. A number of different modular pieces go together to create these environments. This one isn't the biggest one you've ever seen, but again, a very nice art style. We got a couple of stylized ones in this pack overall. And then we're going to head on over to Unity. And here we can see the Gothic castle set up right here. So this is the Gothic palace. Everything you see to create here. Out of the box Unity lighting is never shows as well as Unreal Engine. You can make it look just about as good as Unreal Engine, but just out of the box, never quite get the exact same vibe. As you see here, again, this is going to be a lot of Gothic packs. You're getting those 3 different Gothic packs for the Unity game engine. So let's go ahead and check out the overview map on here. And you get an idea of these assets. And we got that loaded over here. So come on down over here. We'll take a look at the kind of stuff that goes together. So again, very modular. You can create a variety of different settings with this particular setup. And that is the Unity side of things. So basically that is it, mostly for Unreal Engine. Again, you can get them out of Unreal Engine, but you do have those 3 packs for the Unity game engine as well. These will all redeem on their individual asset store. So if you're getting updates for them, you will get updates as if you purchase them directly from the asset store as well. You do have to redeem the keys, which is, again, a bit of an annoying process. But once that is done, you are good to go. So ladies and gentlemen, that was the Deluxe Dev Dream 3D Unreal Engine and Unity Mega Bundle, 4,000 plus assets. Again, heavily on the Unreal Engine side of the equation here. The Unreal Engine stuff looks really, really good, by the way. But we've got a number of different environments. We saw the feudal Japan. We saw the Gothic stuff for Unity, the stylized village. We saw that guy in action over there. We saw the Brooks Industrial. And I showed you the Cyberpunk town in action. And again, we got a number of other kind of kits here as well for if you need to create flags or books. You've got that there as well. And then we got a number of different packs that would go well with the other stuff we've seen here. So if you're using the Gothic stuff, we have a Gothic texture pack available as well. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the, once again, Deluxe Dev Dream 3D Unreal Engine and Unity Mega Bundle. 4,000 plus total assets in this bundle across 24 different items. Looks like that is $30 USD for the top tier. And at the $1 tier, you're getting 7 items. So definitely on the smaller side of things. But it gives you an idea if you like the assets or not. Everything, again, redeems on their individual asset stores. I really like the look of this one, but let me know what you think of this bundle. Also, hopefully, again, this sounds fine. I'm going to be on the road, so my next couple of videos are going to probably sound a little bit different. Hopefully, they don't sound too bad. Let me know what you think. Comments down below. Talk to you all later. Goodbye.